People sometimes ask me a question, Kwame, why do you charge thousands of dollars for a 60-minute conversation? The answer is simple. You're not paying for the hour. If this was about time, I would charge by the minute. But time has very little to do with value. What you are actually paying for is compression. The compression of experience or mistakes avoided, of patterns recognized early. You're paying for the years I spent studying systems so you don't have to. Not to impress you, but to protect you. This confusion comes from history. This idea of hourly pay comes from the factory floor. On an assembly line, output is linear. 1 hour produces 1 unit. Time equals value. That model made sense in the industrial age. But in the knowledge economy, that link is broken. I can have a single insight in 5 minutes that saves a company $5 million. So here's my question to you. Should I charge for the 5 minutes or for the outcome? If in your business, you price your thinking by the hour, you are treating your brain like a machine. And machines are cheap. Now, let's talk about asymmetry, right? This is where most professionals misunderstand the game. A generic consultant will charge $200 an hour. They compete with thousands of others. A strategic advisor charges $50,000 for a defined outcome. They compete with almost no one. Care to know why? Because the client is not buying labor. They are buying speed and certainty. The most expensive thing in business is not a high fee. Oftentimes, it is a slow decision. Boards don't lose money because they lack effort. They lose money because they hesitate, misread the cycle, or commit capital in the wrong direction. One wrong strategic move can destroy a decade of work. That is the risk being priced. This is why elite firms do not sell time. McKinsey, for instance, does not sell consultants by the hour. They sell the report. The report carries authority. The report transfers responsibility. The report creates alignment. When a CEO says, this came from McKinsey, resistance disappears. That is not about intelligence alone. That is about institutional trust. This is why I build proprietary intellectual property. Not content, not slides, frameworks, reports. For those of you who might have received our 2026 Future Outlook, I'm sure you know what this means. These are analysis that turns opinion into architecture. The moment you have IP, you stop being a freelancer and you become a vendor of certainty. Vendors get paid in advance. Freelancers submit timesheets. Now, let's be very clear. In high-stakes environments, pricing is not about fairness. It is about risk transfer. If a CEO listens to me and avoids one catastrophic decision, that protection alone can be worth tens of millions. And suddenly, my $20,000 invoice is not expensive. It is efficient. Here is a lesson most people resist. The market does not care how hard you work. It cares how much risk you remove. Effort is invisible. Outcomes are not. If you sell effort, you would always be underpaid. If you sell certainty, you will always be scarce. This is not arrogance. It is economics. Cheap solutions feel comfortable until they fail. And when they fail, they become very expensive. If you want to be paid like labor, charge for time. If you want to be paid like capital, charge for outcomes. That distinction defines who struggles and eventually who compounds. In the business that I am in, the business of intelligence and thinking, I am not selling labor. I am selling outcomes.